Troubleshooting your hydraulic telescopic transmission jack, VLT12. If maximum lifting height cannot be reached, it is probably due to oil shortage. Check the oil level. Correct level is just below the filling plug with the transmission jack in its lowest position. If oil is leaking from the jack, you need to inspect the cylinder for broken seals or rust. If the load is dropping, the release handle may not be properly closed, or the spring in the release needs to be adjusted. If this is not the case, it's probably due to broken or worn seals in the cylinder, which then have to be replaced.